Krishna Mukunda Janardana, Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana, Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana, Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana, Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare, Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare, Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare, Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare, Achyutananda Govinda Madhava, Achyutananda Govinda Madhava, Achyutananda Govinda Madhava, Achyutananda Govinda Madhava, Sachidananda Narayana Hare, Sachidananda Narayana Hare, Sachidananda Narayana Hare, Sachidananda Narayana Hare, Sachidananda Bhagavan ki. Paramatma's nature, Paramatma's original self is such a glorious and incomprehensible entity that with all efforts the human intellect is only able to stand in surprise and astonishment at the glorious all associated characteristics of Paramatma. The yogis have realized this. The rishis had realized this. So they found a solution to see Paramatma every moment. Every moment, every single second they wanted to behold this grand form of Paramatma. It is like you have seen a very, very glorious visual. For example, you had been to Himalayas. You saw the Kailasa Parvata and had darshan of the Kailasa Parvata. You come back with memories. When you come back with memories of the Kailasa Parvata, when you are sitting down alone, the visual goes in front of you. The Kailasa Parvata visual goes, all the beautiful snow-clad mountains and the face of Shiva on that Kailasa Parvata, the steps which lead to the Kailasa Parvata, the path of the Parikrama, the Manasarovar, beautiful blue water, everything comes to your mind. But it is erased. It is overpowered by another thought, and this thought takes over. The other new thought takes over, and then this becomes secondary. When this becomes secondary, then the mind is occupied by that new thought, and that new thought, perhaps it could be another beautiful thought, quite possible another beautiful thought. So like this, the thoughts in the mind are continuously being acted and counteracted upon by different other visuals. But the rishis saw, if one is able to see Paramatma in everything, every single thought, in every single happening in this world, if one is able to see Paramatma, how would that be? So then they sat down in meditation and they went deeper and deeper, and they found that in order to see Paramatma, the more deeper you go inside, you will be able to see the outside beautifully. The comprehension of the outside is defective because you have not seen the glory inside. Because the inner glory has not been seen, the outside glory seems to be only temporary and then keeps on being erased by one after the other. Once you have seen the inner glory, there is no more defect in the outer glory. The vision has changed. The perspective has changed. The visual also has changed. So that is how all these wonderful works of the Paramatma has come out in the form of the Puranas by Bhagavan Vedavyasa Rishi. ಧ್ಯಾನಾವಸ್ಥಿತ ತದ್ಗತೇನ ಮನಸ ಪಶ್ಯಂತಿ ಯಂ ಯೋಗಿನಃ ಯಸ್ಯಾಂತಂ ನ ವಿದುಃಸುರಾಸುರಗಣ ದೇವಾಯ ತಸ್ಮೈ ನಮಃ. ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಮ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್. ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರಮ ಹೋಮ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದೇ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಎಂಬ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರು. ಹೊರಗಿನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಪರ್ವತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಕೈಲಾಸ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಆನಂದ ಬಂತು. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಂಜು ತುಂಬಿದ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು, ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಾನಸರೋವರ, ಆ ಸರೋವರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಂತು, ಅದು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಪರ್ವತ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೈಲಾಸ ಪರ್ವತದ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ದರ್ಶನ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಋಷಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ನೆಲೆಸಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವ ಒಂದು ಆನಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಒಳಗಿನ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವೂ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನುಭವಿಸಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವಾಗ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಆನಂದ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದುಃಖ ಸುಖ, ದುಃಖ ಸುಖ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಿನ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವೋ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಭಗವಂತನಾದ ವೇದವ್ಯಾಸ ಋಷಿ ಈ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಪುರಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿರುವುದು. Yesterday we saw how this, just like the different types of products are evolved from the rivulets come out from a river, different types of rivulets come, and then in the material universe, we spoke about the sthula shariram, how Paramatma's, how the world universe has come from the sankalpa of Paramatma, how that nirakara, formless Paramatma has become one of form. Same topic continues. Even as men of poor wits. When you say men of poor wits means those who cannot grasp subtle topics, subtle concepts. That is called men of poor wits, means not so intelligent. Not so intelligent. Men of poor wits assume the existence of the clouds in ether and of dustiness in the air, even though the clouds, as a matter of fact, hang in the air, while dustiness belongs to the particles of earth. So, the ignorant superimpose the gross phenomenal universe on the self, who is the seer. When you have a little less, it is like a child. Let us imagine that we are children. When we see the clouds, we think that the sky is black or the space is black. The clouds are black. And the blackness has come from the dust from here gone, smoke and everything gone from the earth. So the earth element has made the clouds look like black, but we are saying that the sky is black or space is black. So the attribution of a color to space, which is no space, which has no color at all. Space has no color at all, but it is attributed. The color is attributed, like a water reflection. When you see water, we say that water is black. Water is neither black nor white. If you add some color to it, it becomes green water. If you add blue color to it, it becomes blue water. If you add red color to it, it becomes red water. Water remaining the same. So this, when we have lesser understanding, then we attribute wrongly. We think something other than the other, actually. ಈ ಮೋಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣದವು? ಮೋಡಗಳು ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣದವು. ಆ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಕಾಶ ಕಪ್ಪಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಆಕಾಶ ಕಪ್ಪಗಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನ? ಆಕಾಶ ಕಪ್ಪಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೋಡಗಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಕಾಶ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಧೂಳು ಮುಂತಾದವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತವೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮೋಡಗಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಳ್ಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತವೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತವೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಕೆಂಪು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಕಾಶ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಲರ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು now comes the most subtle point, which is very important. He says the ignorant superimpose the gross phenomenal universe on the self, who is the seer. When you were born, when each one of us were born, did we have a name? at birth. At birth. Exactly, immediately after birth. That is, please understand, even the latest method, even the latest system which is followed all over the world for the sake of records, for the sake of birth records, before the child is born, you have to name it. Are you aware of that one? You must be aware of that. In foreign countries, before the child is born, they would have already noted whether it is a male or female child. They would have already done it. Once they come to conclusion, then you have to give the name, so the hospital records have to be updated. ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಗು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ, ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ, ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತಾ? ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಹೆಸರಿತ್ತಾ? ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಕೆಲವು ಜನಗಳು 10 ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಮಕರಣ, ಕೆಲವು ಜನ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಕರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? ಚಿನ್ನ, ಬಂಗಾರ, ಏನು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮೇರಾ ಲಾಲಾ, सर सारे नए नए नाम रखे हैं उसके लिए. तेलुगु అంటే बाबू और बंगारू, so many different names they would have given, so many different names, but that is not the original name, no? Ultimately that is not the name we carry. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಚಿನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ? ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕರೀದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕರೀದಿರ, ಚಿನ್ನ ಬಂಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪಂಚಾಂಗವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ, ನಾಮಕರಣಂ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಮಕರಣಂ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್ very clearly understand what is our original name, not the name which was given by the parents, not the name which was given by the parents, not the name which our friends and others they call as nicknames, with nicknames. Most of us have gone through the process of having a nickname, 99% of us. It is a trend. ಅಡ್ಡೆಸರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಡೆಸರು, ಅಡ್ಡೆಸರು ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರವರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಣ್ಣಕಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸಣ್ಣಕಲಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಭಾರತ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್, ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ namelessly we came namelessly, then we were given a name, and then after the name, then once the marriage is over, then girls get another name, and in our Bharatiya tradition, and you are also free to have any name you want. Truthfully speaking, you can have any name you want. Just all you have to do is, once you become an adult, you take a newspaper, go to pay some money, and then you say that you want to change, give an affidavit, and then you get your name changed. Yes or no? You can get your name changed. Then if they want to verify what is your, so you then put alias, and then so many other things. There is no truthful name at all for us. In addition to this, then comes the other aspects. What are the other aspects? The moment you have a particular social activity. If you have an activity to do, then you have another name. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಭಕ್ತರು ಬಂದರು, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಏ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಏ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಏ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಏ ಮರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಕರೀತಾರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಮರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಹುಡುಗ? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಹುಡುಗ? ಬೇಟಾ ಇದರಾ, ಓ ಬಚ್ಚೆ ಇದರಾ? They would have called them different names. So there are also different names because of the look. So because of the look, you get one more name. And then suppose this person, they become, let us say these children study very well and then come with a certificate. Then they are called. So Vidwansare il banni, Vidwansare il banni. Re Vidwanji idhar aiye, Panditji idhar aiye, Panditji idhar aiye ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇವರೇ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವಾಂಗ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೊಂಚ ವಾಂಗ. Even Brahmins are called as Swamis only. Swami ಕೊಂಚ ವಾಂಗ. So new name has come Swami. So which is the name which is the truthful name? In Hindi they say, खूब डट करके पढ़े. एक one person, he studied hard for about more than 8 years and then became a doctor. He had to study day and night, then he became a doctor. Then he got married. His wife got, within a day, he got doctorni. Wife of the doctor became doctorni within no time. Pandit ji ki patni panditani. Pandit ji ki patni panditani within no time. The moment she got married, she became panditani. She studied for 12 years. Then he became a pandit. Immediately after marriage, he became panditani. How many new names are coming, isn't it? Doctor, doctor ada. Doctor ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. Bhava, the word Bhava, Shiva is called as Bhava. Bhava means the one who brings forth the world is called as Bhava. His wife, Bhavani. Shiva, Shivani. Look at it, so easy. So you just have to, a female, you just add. So you see the number of names we get. So truthfully, what is our identity? What is our true name? ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಹೆಸರುಗಳೇ ಹೊರತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಟರು, ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಇಟ್ಟರು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಕರೆದ್ರು, ಭಕ್ತರು ಕರೆದ್ರು. ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೆಸರು ನಮ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಸರಿ, shall we say baby? Baby ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. Shall we say ಮಗು? ಮಗು is ಕನ್ನಡ. Shall we say pillai? It is Tamil. In North Kerala, there is ಕೂಸು. Shall we say that one? Bacha. Shall we say bacha? What name shall we give? Babu, Ammai, Abbai. Is there any end to these names which can be given by anybody? Tom, Dick and Harry can give us names. And the names of Tom, Dick and Harry also are given by somebody else only. So names, and now comes. Name is given by what? By the form. Name comes, the question of a name comes when there is a form. When I say, I do not have to tell you anything, you know already the name also. Already it is running in your mind. Because it has got a form. The moment it has got a form, you have already associated the name with that. And ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಇದರ ಆಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We saw the form. This form has already been described in the dictionary as pencil. See, now I will show this. This is also a pencil. Why are you saying no? I will call it as pencil. Why is it not? Because it is not the form of a pencil. It doesn't have the form of a pencil. The form decides the name. Form decides the name. The name and form is called a Namarupatmakam Jagat. This is also another pencil. No? Why not? Why is not pencil? Pencil allayda? Why is it not? Because it's got a different form, only by form. All are decided only by form. Idu pencil thane? Yakappa? Why is not pencil? Because we have decided in our mind, no? Nama manasnalli pencil andre hinge irbeku. Pencil is this only. We have decided. Pencil yaar hesritru? Who named the pencil? We only. Actually speaking, you know, idu pencil alla. This is wood only. This is not even a pencil, it is wood only. When wood is made into hexagonal shape and then some paint is given and then lead is put inside, it becomes a pencil. Are you able to follow? So the name is because of the form. The name is because of the form. Suppose I show you a photo. I show you a photo of Vishnu and tell you this is Shiva. ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಫೋಟೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಶಿವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಫ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು. ವಿಷ್ಣು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರ ಗದಾಧಾರಿ, ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರ ಗದಾ ಪದ್ಮ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು. ಜಟಾಧಾರಿ is ಶಿವ, ಜಟಾವಿನಂದನ್. ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕ. किं वाससेत्यत्र विचारणीयं, किं वाससेत्यत्र विचारणीयं, वासप्रधानं खलु योग्यताया. Pitambaram Vikshya Dadausa Kanyam Charmambaram Vikshya Visham Samudra. You know, when the Samudra Manthanam took place, yesterday we were reading Samudra Manthanam, churning of the ocean took place, many things came out. Among them, two things are important. One is the poison, the other one is Devi Lakshmi came out. Lakshmi also came from the Samudra only, so she is called as Samudra Raja Tanaya. Kalai Magal is Saraswati in Tamil. Kalai Magal is Saraswati. Malai Magal, Parvati. Alai Magal is Lakshmi. Alai Magal is Lakshmi. Magal means daughter in Tamil. Magal means daughter. Alai means waves. Daughter of the waves is Lakshmi. Daughter of the mountain is Parvati. Daughter of the arts is Saraswati. Kalai Magal, Malai Magal, Alai Magal. So Lakshmi has come from the Samudra. Samudra Raja Tanaya. Now two things have come out. One ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ವಿಷ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಸಮುದ್ರದಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ಬಂತು ವಿಷ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದರು? ಸಮುದ್ರದಿಂದ. So Samudra Raja also, partiality, he had bias. He was biased. So he gave the poison to Shiva and he gave his daughter to Vishnu. Samudra Raja ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ವಿಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಶಿವನಿಗೆ. Lakshmi ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ವಿಷ್ಣುಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ because Vishnu was wearing Pitambar. You're looking nice and Charmambar. Shiva was looking not so handsome. So he gave him the poison. Kim vasase tyatra visharaniyam. Somebody said, clothes only make a man. Clothes only make a man. Clothes make a man. There is one proverb, old proverb. Clothes make a man. That means if you have good clothes, people will honor you. If you don't have good clothes, people will not honor you. Somebody said that's not true. Somebody said that's not true. If you are a learned person, definitely people will honor you. No, what you are saying is not true. I will give you an example, divine example. When the churning of the ocean took place and the poison and Lakshmi came, Samudra Raja gave poison to Shiva because he was ill-dressed. And he gave Lakshmi to Narayana because he was well-dressed. Kim vasase tyatra vicharaniyam vasapradhanam kalu yogyatayaha Pitambaram Viksha Dadau Swakanyam Charmambaram Viksha Visham Samudra. Charmambara Shiva, Pitambara Vishnu. So, you understand the form has got so much importance in this world. Pitambaranada Vishnuvanna ನೋಡಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ ರಾಜ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಶರ್ಮಾಂಬರನಾದ ಶಿವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು? ವಿಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಶಿವ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಹತ್ವ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಪ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ರೂಪಂ. ನಾಮ is name. Nama Rupatmakam Jagat. Somebody asked, what is the definition of Jagat? Bhagavan Vedavyasa says, Nama Rupatmakam Jagat. If you want to define the world, it is of names and forms. What is of names and forms? That is called as Jagat. That is Samsara. That is Prapancha. Before the name form came, was there any name? Before the form came, there was no name also. Anamika. Have you heard the word Anamika? What is the meaning of the word Anamika? Nameless. Anamika means anonymous. In English, anonymous is Anamika. Anonymous is Anamika because before the form came. Rupa barak munche Nama irlilla. Rupa barak munche Nama irlilla. Rupa ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರು ಬಂದರು? ನಾಮವೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಾನೇ ಹೆಸರಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತಾಯಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗು ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. The child is still in the womb of the mother, they will all start speaking. बच्ची हो तो क्या नाम रखना है? बच्चा हो तो क्या नाम रखना है? All they would have decided. But they know that the form is coming. The form is going to come, no? So for that form only they are going to give the name. Suppose they had decided 3 names. Rama, Krishna, Govinda. They decided 3 names, Rama, Krishna or Govinda. The moment the child was born, they saw that the face is very mischievous. The face of the child is very mischievous. Rama ruled out. Govinda ruled out. Krishna is the right name for this child. How did they decide? They saw the form and decided. So form decides the name. Form decides the name. श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण बद्रीनारायण नारायण नारायण बद्रीनारायण नारायण नारायण बद्रीनारायण नारायण नारायण बद्रीनारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण लक्ष्मीनारायण नारायण नारायण लक्ष्मीनारायण नारायण नारायण लक्ष्मीनारायण नारायण नारायण लक्ष्मीनारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण भजमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण रामनारायण नारायण नारायण रामनारायण नारायण नारायण रामनारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण सच्चिदानंद भगवान की ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ओम शांति शांति शांति।